beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So I'm ready to do some nail art. I just finished doing these nails and I'm going to link it somewhere in the screen and at the end of the video. This is part 2. If you want to see the first one, watch that video first and then come back to see the finished result. So I wanted to do what's trending right now, which is the pop art nail trend, but I wanted to add my own little twist to it. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this design. I'm going to show you now all the products that I'm going to be using to create this design. And I'm going to start off by using this ROSALIND gel polish. I'm going to be using these two. Later on I'm going to add another one, which these two colors are very beautiful. The green one is 052 and the blue one is 043. And I'm also going to be using gel paints. This one's by Mia Secret. It's a gorgeous blue. It's called Blue Lagoon, and this one is more of a teal color. And of course, black and white. So I'm going to start with the green on my pinky first. The two middle fingers are going to go blue and then the rest green. I'm going to pop them in the lamp for a full minute. Now I'm going to do the second coat. I'll let you watch that and I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to cure that, and I'm actually going to do a third coat because I wanted the color to be really saturated. So here it is with 3 coats. I love the color. So now what I'm going to do is take a backing paper like this one, or you could use a nail art plate, and I'm going to start working with the gel paints. All I want to do is create a little bit of shadow on the nails. So I have that one for the blue and this one for the green. What I'm going to do is mix them a little bit with clear gel polish because I just want to create a shadow. I don't want it to be too pigmented. So that's going to help to sheer out the color. And I'm using this one by Gelish. It's the top coat, and I'm just going to put that on the backing paper and mix the colors in. Once I have the desired color, I'm going to clean my brush and then do the same thing with the other color. So all I'm gonna do is just add a little bit in the corner. I don't want to cover the whole nail, just create a little shadow in the top corner. And I'm going to cure that again for a full minute. So now I'm going to use a matte top coat, and I'm using this one by Nail Reserve, which is my absolute favorite matte top coat. It's super matte and it is a no wipe top coat. I'm going to do that to all the nails, fully cure it in the lamp for a full minute, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to be using the pink gel polish from ROSALIND. This is a beautiful baby pink. So I just wanted to create some drops because currently when I'm filming, it's still not Halloween yet, and I wanted to keep a spooky vibe to this design. So I'm going to use the pink and create some blood drops, but instead of being red, they're going to be pink. Once I'm satisfied with the shape, I'll pop it in the lamp so it doesn't move. Now I'm using the black color to outline all the drops. Now I'm going to use the white color so I can create the line in the corner with the little dot. I'm going to be doing that to all of the nails later on. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure it in the lamp so it doesn't move. Now I'm going to be using the black color to create the other line on the other side. Okay, so now it's time for me to struggle. And I'll tell you why. I love skulls. Always have, always will. Love them to pieces. But I can never do a skull. I've tried many different ways, many different shapes, different techniques. I've tried it with acrylic, I've tried it with gel paints, I've tried it with so many different things, but they never come out right. So here I am again trying a skull for the billionth time, and let me just say, we don't like a lot of harsh judging in this channel. So be gentle with me. This is the best that I could do. So I really wanted us to incorporate a skull in this design because I still want to keep it spooky. So this is my best attempt to do a skull. So what I did is I sheared out the white paint a little bit with clear gel polish so it wouldn't be so thick. And that's what I'm currently doing now. I'm doing the shape and I'm filling it in. Okay, so I added a little line on the top of the skull, and now what I did is took the gel, the black gel, and sheared it out with the clear top coat so I can create a shadow to see if I could bring this skull to life a little bit more and give it more dimension. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of the nails. Now I'm gonna do the final touch, which is the white line with the dot. I'm going to pop it in the lamp for a full minute, and then I'm going to add the matte top coat. So here they are completely done. I really like the way they turned out. I can see why this trend is so popular. I mean, it's very pretty. Any codes or discount links will be in the description box in case you're interested, and that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.